And the art of pissing off the public is very like, you need to get it right.
True that.
And if you don't get it right, you're cancelled.
But you know who's on the border of that line?
Border, like
Yeah.
almost dangling.
Yeah.
Good life, easy.
There's so many I'm thinking of.
No,
right
you
now.
know, bro. I know you know.
Kanye West.
Kanye West.
Kanye West.
Kanye West.
Easy returns.
So he's on the border. He's not a troll, obviously, but definitely
Bro, he is somewhat a troll.
he's somewhat of a troll. He's definitely controversial.
But bro, are billionaires trolls? Can a troll be a billionaire?
Yeah.
You think so?
Fuck yeah, bro.
Mm,
Fuck yeah. Billionaire can be whatever the fuck
they
he or
want,
she
yeah.
wants to be.
Yeah, true.
That's the idea of being a billionaire.
True
You
that.
understand?
True that.
They have bought the freedom to say anything
that.
and do anything they want.
Yo, for sure.
Okay. So Kanye is obviously walking on that line, the edge, where he's, as you know, just
So many
yesterday,
headlines. Bro,
He said that he wants to become the next.
run for president.
He wants to run for president. Now he has 4 months.
Yeah.
But can he sign up for it? Is there enough time?
Bro, I have no idea, but I don't think he's gonna win.
But
Because
Motabai
it's-
Elon,
Mota bhai has told him कि
you have my support.
जा
तू कर
जो
ले.
करना है तू कर.
जी ले
पैसा
अपनी
चाहिए.
जिंदगी.
Tesla is now the most valuable car company in the world.
And Kanye has a Tesla
Yeah,
with those crazy rims.
bro, you know it.
So then,
So and they're boys, dude. They're boys, bro. Billionaires love billionaires.
yeah. So Kanye is on that edge, and whatever you say, bro, walking on that edge, he's cracking some next level deals, bro. Like, what do you have to say about the Gap Easy collab?
Bro, Gap is coming back, and how?
Right,
And how?
bro. The
Bro.
timing couldn't be better. Firstly, because now when Zara is suffering, H&M is suffering with excess and surplus of stock.
Enough of these Zara and H&M now. I'm fed up of these brands now, bro. You buy a t-shirt fucking 2 years after that, it's fucking ruined, yeah.
Exactly. So these fast fashion brands, they're anyways dying with the surplus stock that they have. It's not selling. Okay, people are getting tired of it because they're not reinventing themselves. Now with COVID coming up, they're shutting stores, taking back stock. They are in distress. And Gap, which already was on its last breath,
Yeah.
pretty much
Yeah.
on his last breath, like people had given up on Gap, bro, a while back,
Yeah.
has signed this deal, which I think makes a lot of sense because whereas Zara and H&M are very well known to copy designs of designers, where the designers show their clothes on the runway and before they can get the clothes in their stores, Zara already has it in
Yo,
their stores.
Bro, that's insane.
You know, Zara released the torn t-shirts
That's insane, dude.
before Yeezy released it.
That's insane.
They
bro.
saw the Yeezy collection,
and then they just dropped it.
the New York one, the first one, season 1.
Dude, that was dope.
And Zara dropped it before Yeezy.
Bro, you need some balls to do that
Right?
shit.
But I think it's fugazi, bro. Fuck that shit.
Where's the originality, yeah?
Exactly.
There's no Zara product that Zara is known for.
of
Like
course
one product.
No,
like
no.
a perfume or like a watch or like a cap or like a pair of jeans. No.
No.
You know?
So that's why this Gap Yeezy collab makes a lot of sense because at least the products that will come out
Top.
are going to be original.
Top. They're calling it affordable essentials.
Yeah. Elevated essentials.
It's elevated affordable essentials.
Elevated, affordable
You know.
essentials.
Fire.
Fire, bro.
Yeah. Bro, do you think he's going to redo the Big Gap logo hoodie?
Of
Bro, it's going to
course,
look
bro.
so dope.
The first one is going to be that.
Yeah.
The first one is going to be
Yeah,
that, but
yeah,
obviously a crazy silhouette.
Yeah.
And
But to be honest with you, when I heard about Yeezy Gap, I was like, fuck, Gap? Like Gap? It's because if you think about Kanye, dude, Kanye is the type of guy you think that, okay, he might become the creative director of like a Prada or like a Chrome Hearts or like a Louis or like a Gucci. I was like, dude, Gap?
But Kanye, I think in the very beginning said that he wanted his clothes to be accessible and affordable. That was his dream. But I think he wanted it as per his vision.
Yeah.
Right?
And I think Gap's the right fit. If you
I
think
think it
about
makes
affordable
sense.
essentials.
I think it makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, now you would buy a Gap, right?
Dude, for sure.
I am sure Gap partnering up with Kanye are going to kill it.
Hmm.
Definitely. Like it's the
no.
end of Zara
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Like,
bro.
if I had to put it in such a way, who is the Yeezy audience, bro? So like the hype beast, what they call, like the young teenagers, like the Gen Z millennial crowd, okay?
Pretty much.
Pretty much. Like these are the guys buying Yeezys. Of course, there are older people also buying Yeezys.
No, but pretty much.
Bro, Gap is going to be able to attract that audience, bro,
Yeah.
that has such a high spending power. and Kanye will bring that audience with him to Gap.
Exactly.
So people are gonna line out.
People are going to line out.
You know, they're gonna line up outside Gap. You would never imagine anybody lining up for Gap, bro.
Imagine what a comeback Gap is going to make with the kind of distribution they have, with
Amazing.
the kind of stores they have. They have stores all over America.
I think Easy Gap they're gonna have their own flagship stores.
They're going to have their own
Yeezy Gap,
stores?
Yeah. Their
So
own,
standalone stores of Easy Gap?
Haven't you seen the redo of the Gap logo, bro? Instead of Gap, it says YZ.
Yeah, with the
Y.
the shape is a little
so
off.
that
yeah.
I think is going to be the flagship store. How much equity has he got?
2%.
Fuck.
That's crazy, bro.
Fuck.
That's crazy,
Fuck.
bro.
But if somebody deserves it, it's fucking Kanye, bro.
Of course he deserves
You know.
it, bro. He's been consistent coming out with not only good music, but good apparels.
Yeah.
Shoes?
Yeah.
Good is an understatement
Yeah.
because the sales talk for themselves, you know.
Bro, fuck that. Kanye and Nike's collab was the first non-athlete collab shoe Nike
Yeah.
ever released.
Yeah.
Dude, that's huge.
Yeah. But that was the beginning part. I am saying he's been consistent throughout the years.
Consistency, bro.
You know? And that is key. See, anyone can come up with a good collection or a single pair of a nice shoe. So there's one thing of understanding consumer behavior. Then there's another thing of predicting and developing a new style that the consumers adapt to immediately.
Something like Zara and H&M are doing.
No.
Whether you like it or no.
Zara and H&M are understanding consumer behavior.
Correct.
But Kanye and the likes
And
of
trends.
him,
And trends.
Kanye,
Heavy
Virgil,
trends.
and all these guys who are
Yeah.
like really popular and
Yeah.
been consistent and coming out with good collections time and time again, they are innovating. And the people are
True.
flocking to their designs.
True.
Right?
True. Yeah. Yeah.
Consistency is tough,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
Going to the gym one day, doable.
no, bro.
Going to the gym every day for a year,
Hell no.
it's a
If
different
you do
thing,
it,
right?
bro, respect.
Exactly.
But that's the scene, right? Kanye has been releasing like heat after heat after heat.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, like even though people now think that the Yeezy shoe is too common, everyone's rocking it. But that was his vision, dude. His vision was to make his shoe accessible to anyone and everyone.
Absolutely, bro.
So that's why you'll see a new pair dropping every week.
Yeah. And to be honest, the shoes are pretty fire because the design is very original. The colorway is very nice. You know, the silhouettes, very original. So even if it's very common or every other person has it, I don't think it's a problem.
What about Crocs, bro?
Fuck Crocs.
Fuck you, bro.
Crocs are
the
for-
best. Yo, Crocs did it for the culture. It's gonna be crazy.
Crazy, bro.
I don't know how the fuck is he gonna be if he becomes president, and he's the creative director of Gap.
He can't, na? Conflict of
The
interest.
fuck is he gonna do that?
Conflict of interest.
Didn't the Gap stock go up like 40%?
Yeah.
Huh? When they announced the deal.
Mhm.
That's crazy, bro. Just imagine the power he comes with. He has the golden touch, bro.
You said, na? What is the prediction of the first year sales?
750 million to
That's
1 billion.
amazing, bro.
And what are the what's the
Like, it can't get better than that.
what were the Gap sales for 2019? 4.3 bill.
So now,
So imagine now.
it can't get better than that.
Can't get better.
It can't get
It
better
can't
than
get
that. This is the pinnacle. So,
But yeah,
Definitely.
it's crazy. It's crazy. That being said, Kanye has been making headlines every 2 weeks. Easy Gap. Kanye for president. Kanye becomes a billionaire. Right? Forbes
Now
listed
he has
him as
3
a
billion.
billionaire. That's what
Not
he
one.
says. Yeah, 3 bill, bro.
3.
His wife becomes a billionaire.
She has one.
Yeah, she has one, you know. And what else was he up to, bro? He's been up to some shit, man.
His, Sunday church performance,
Yo, that's wild.
it became a success.
wild.
So everything he's doing is actually,
And he's
working.
too original, bro. Like, he fucking made going to church cool.
yeah. So I think whatever content he's creating is loved by people, but whatever he's talking is hated by people. You know what I'm talking about? When he talks, people disagree with him, but when he creates, people agree with him. People call him a genius. You know, so his creations are loved, but his conversations are hated.
Yeah, do you think once, if he became president, he's an outspoken character, right? He's known to go up on stage and diss people. Like,
Karega,
he's
bro.
insulted Taylor Swift.
Karega.
Do you think at like any summit he's gonna call out like Putin and
Karega. No, not Putin. He'll
you
be
know.
friends with Putin.
and Modi?
No,
He's gonna
he'll
get
be friends
Modi a
with
pair of Yeezys, bro.
Bro, I to can't wait for Modi to go and hug him, bro.
Dude, it's gonna be crazy.
Are you mad, bro?
Crazy.